Okay, we're going to continue cutting our thyme until the stems are more or less cut up. Okay, we're going to take that and add it to our small bowl. Then we're going to get our measuring spoon, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, we're only going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, going to add a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of cayenne, and if you're not a fan of really spicy food, there are going to be so many different flavors in here that the only way the cayenne is going to hit you is at the back of your throat and not at the front of your mouth. And we're going to add a teaspoon of oregano, and if you want to use fresh oregano, that's fine. Just going to go ahead and mix that all up until it's a nice rust color.